Claude Code can now do the work of your entire marketing team. There are 32 free marketing skills you can add to Claude Code right now. Alright, I'm in my code editor or IDE, and if you haven't done this before, you just want to open up VS Code or Cursor or whatever you're doing, come over to Applications, type in Claude Code, download that, and then you can either use this tab right here, or you can do what I'm doing, which is using the terminal over here. So to open up the terminal, you can do Command J or come up and go New Terminal. Then you're going to click here and go Claude. Now, when you guys open this up, you won't have these files, but a Claude MD file basically just tells Claude what's going on in this project. So if you want to give it a little bit of context before you jump in, you can ask Claude Code to make one of these for you and get it to prompt you for whatever information it needs. Then a .claude is basically where you keep all your skills, commands, agents. These are all empty basically for me at the moment. I do have a prime and save command set up, which is basically prime is a command that I can run up here, and it's going to read the Claude file and just say what's going on in this workspace, which isn't much. A playground workspace for cloning and experimenting with GitHub repositories. So mine's pretty basic, but you'd put your own information in here, and then it's got a little bit of information about how to find things around the project. But that's a bit outside of this video, so what we want to do first is come over to this GitHub marketing skills repository, and you can see if I click on skills, it's going to have all these different skills and things you can do down here. So analytics tracker, cold email, content strategy, pricing strategy. So it's got all sorts of different things, SEO audit, paid ads, and we're going to grab the clone repository link, close that. Can you clone the following GitHub repo and set up the skills from it so I can use them? You probably don't need to add that last bit in, but sometimes it does. Put them in a weird sort of folder where you can't access them right away. Alright, 34 seconds and it's all done. So now what we want to do is just open a new terminal, and you would type in Claude here, but I got a little CR shortcut set up which just runs the prime command. 1 minute 24 seconds, and now if I come over to marketing skills, you can see I have all these skills in here. Alright, so now that I've got a new session started up, I can come over here, have a look at all my skills and start using them over here. So if I go cold email, competitor analysis, SEO, all the good stuff. So I was just going to make this a short one, but if you enjoyed this video, give us kudos. And if you want help implementing this sort of stuff for your business and customizing it a bit more, you can always hit us up and book a call. Also, I'll leave the links to any resources and this repository down below.